Hello again. It's time for Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. And today we're looking at on time and in time. For example, the 11:45 train left on time. It was punctual. The timetable said 11:45. The train left at 11:45. So the train left on time. Don't be late for the meeting. Be there on time. In time, you have extra time available. For example, before the meeting, I arrived in time for the meeting. I arrived 10 minutes before. I could relax, take it easy, calm down, and then go to the meeting. So I arrived in time for the meeting. Will you be home in time for dinner? Will you be home in time for dinner? Asking the question, will you be home? Have enough time before dinner to wash your hands, relax again, take it easy. So on time and in time. English grammar? Easy peasy. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Be on time. Don't be late. Bye for now. Bye-bye.